Hey everyone, today we are diving into something that affects almost millions of people but often goes unnoticed. It's your thyroid health. Your thyroid is this tiny butterfly shaped gland in your neck, but don't let its size fool you. It controls your metabolism, energy levels, heart rate, and so much more. And when it's not working properly, your entire body feels the impact. So, today I am breaking down 7 silent symptoms that are the warning signs of your thyroid issues. Stick around till the end because some of them might even surprise you. So, let's jump right into it. Hi, I am Aditi. I'm certified in food and nutrition and currently pursuing masters in nutrition science. My goal, well, it is to make people believe that health should be their topmost priority, which can be achieved through simple lifestyle changes in order to ensure overall wellness. First up is exhaustion that just doesn't quit. Now, we all get tired sometimes, right? But if you are sleeping for 8 to 9 hours and still feeling like you have run a marathon after waking up, then something might be off, right? When your thyroid is underactive, a condition called hypothyroidism slows down your entire metabolism. Now, every cell in your body needs thyroid hormones to produce energy. And so, when levels drop, everything slows down, including you. Recent research shows that fatigue is one of the most commonly reported symptoms in thyroid patients even before they get diagnosed. And here is the thing, this type of tiredness cannot be fixed by coffee. It's deep bone level exhaustion. So, if you are constantly feeling drained despite of getting enough rest, then it's worth to check your thyroid levels. Let's talk about something frustrating. Weight gain that seems to come out of nowhere. Now, you are eating the same foods, you are doing the same activities every single day, but still your scale keeps going up. Or maybe you are losing weight rapidly without even trying. Here is what's really happening. Your thyroid is your body's metabolic thermostat. In the case of hypothyroidism, your metabolism slows down, which makes it easier to gain weight and harder to lose it. And according to research, even small disruptions in thyroid hormones can lower your metabolism and can lead to weight gain. On the flip side, if your thyroid is overactive, that is, in the case of hyperthyroidism, your metabolism speeds up, which leads to unexpected weight loss even if you are eating more. So, if you are experiencing any unexpected weight changes along with other symptoms on the list, definitely talk to your doctor about thyroid test. Ever feel like you need a sweater when everyone is comfortable, or constantly overheating where everyone is fine? It's because your body's temperature regulation is controlled by, yes, you guessed it right. It's your thyroid. Basically, in the case of hypothyroidism, your metabolism slows down, which means that you might always need a jacket when everyone else is fine, or your hands and feet feel like ice cold even on a normal day. But with hyperthyroidism, opposite happens. Your revved up metabolism makes you overheat easily, sweat excessively, and make you feel uncomfortable even in normal temperature. Now, this is not just about being sensitive to temperature. Maybe your body is telling you something about your internal thermostat, that is, your thyroid. Here is one that surprises many people. It's unexpected muscle pain and joint stiffness. Now, a study found that 30 to 80% of people with hypothyroidism experience something called hypothyroidism myopathy, which is a muscle problem that occurs due to low thyroid hormones. In this case, you might notice stiffness in your shoulders, hips, or neck, difficulty in climbing stairs or getting up from a chair. You might also feel generalized muscle pain that goes worse with exercise, and joint pain, especially in your knees, hands, and feet. Your thyroid hormones play a vital role in muscle metabolism, and when levels are low, your muscle don't get enough energy that they need to work properly. This can cause pain, weakness, and that achy feeling, which tells you that you have worked really hard but you actually have not. Many people assume that they are just aging or they need more exercise. But if the pain persists, then trust me, thyroid testing is worth considering. Next up is problems like brain fog and memory issues. A study found that many people with hypothyroidism experienced what researchers call as brain fog. It's the feeling of mental cloudiness or lack of mental clarity. And get this, almost half of the patients reported these symptoms before they even get diagnosed. That's crazy, isn't it? Your thyroid hormones are crucial for brain function. They basically help your brain cells communicate and support memory formation. And when these hormones are off, your brain does not get the fuel it needs, which can lead to problems with concentration, focus, memory, and even word finding difficulties. The good news is, studies have found that these symptoms can often improve once you have corrected your thyroid levels. Simple. Number 6 is something that you definitely should not ignore. It's the feeling of heart racing, skipping beats, or pounding in your chest. Now, research shows that thyroid hormones directly control both the speed and the force of your heartbeat. In the case of hyperthyroidism, excess thyroid hormones can cause your heart to beat faster and harder. Because of this, you might experience rapid heartbeat even at rest. You can also feel palpitations, which is that sudden awareness of your heartbeat, high blood pressure, and in severe cases, irregular rhythms like in atrial fibrillation. In the case of hypothyroidism, your heart rate slows down, and you might feel like your heart is becoming sluggish. Basically, heart symptoms combined with thyroid issues need immediate attention. And so, if you are experiencing heart palpitations or any other symptoms related to heart, then you should definitely see your doctor ASAP. And finally, the last symptom is unusual period changes. Your thyroid hormones work closely with reproductive hormones, and when they are imbalanced, your menstrual cycle often reflects it. Basically, in hypothyroidism, you might experience heavier or more frequent periods, more painful cramps, and irregular cycles. And with hyperthyroidism, you might experience lighter periods or even skipped periods and less frequent cycles. According to research, thyroid problems can also affect fertility. In fact, many women who are struggling to conceive discover that thyroid issues were the real culprit all along. So, if you have noticed any menstrual changes that cannot be explained by any other factors, then thyroid testing should be on your checklist. Alright, let's wrap this up. So, we have covered 7 silent thyroid problems. These are unexplained fatigue, brain fog and memory problems, sudden weight changes, temperature sensitivity, joint pain and muscle pain, menstrual cycle changes, and heart palpitations. If you are experiencing these symptoms, then don't brush them off. A simple blood test can check your thyroid hormone levels. Most of these conditions can be managed effectively with medication and lifestyle changes as well. The good news from recent research is many of these symptoms are reversible once you have balanced your thyroid hormone levels. So, don't wait. Talk to your doctor if you feel off. Your body is trying to tell you something, and trust me, it's worth listening. Do let me know in the comment section, have you ever felt these symptoms and tried to address them by checking your thyroid hormones? If you found this video useful, then do like this video and share it with your friends and family so that they can also get to know these hidden symptoms of your thyroid gland. And if you want more such videos, then do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to be updated. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out and remember, wellness over everything. Thanks for watching.